Did you know today's vaccination schedule is more than just a few shots? The CDC now recommends 70 vaccine doses for children. That's triple the CDC schedule from 1983. In 1983, children received 24 doses by 18 years of age. Today, infants receive 24 doses by 6 months. Vaccination is a complex medical procedure, and like any other pharmaceutical product, vaccines can have side effects. Many vaccine product inserts have 20 pages of warnings, side effects, and precautions. Has your doctor gone over these with you for every vaccine? New laws to mandate all doses of vaccines for school children are being created in several states this year. Children are losing their right to an education even if missing only one booster shot. These medical mandates are an overreach of government power and a violation of basic human rights. All medical decisions, discussing both risks and benefits, should be made between you and your doctor, not by politicians. Asking questions does not make you anti-vaccination. It makes you pro-immunity education. Brought to you by the Immunity Education Group, a non-profit organization.